I hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, today I will teach you chapter 6 of your civics administration in the city. First of all, I'll tell you about the municipal corporation. What is municipal corporation? Municipal corporation or Mahanagarpalika also called is an urban local body set up for a city with the population over 10 lakhs. Right? The structure of municipalities varies from state to state depending on the laws passed by state legislative assembly. Okay, although the basic structure and function is almost same for the municipalities in big cities, right? First you will read the chapter, then you will listen my video. Okay, now what are the functions of municipal corporation? The municipal corporation looks after the civic amenities in cities. Some of them are what type of work it does: to provide clean drinking water, which water comes in our houses in taps. It provides only by municipal corporations. To plant trees and maintaining parks. Parks are there and trees are there on roadsides. It is also the work of municipal corporation. To light the streets, street lights also there. Sanitation means cleaning, sewage system and clearing garbage. This all work is done by municipal corporation. Keeping records of births and death. Okay, when anybody take birth and child take birth in any family, we have to go to municipality to record about his or her birth, and when anybody dies in our family, and then also we have to register. Okay, and it keeps record of births and deaths. Informing people about diseases means corona, like corona is going on nowadays, so who will give awareness for this? Whose duty is this? Only municipal corporations, right? Such as dengue, malaria, cholera, typhoid, and how they can be prevented by putting up signs in various places, right? Means sometimes what happens, when some people came to our house, they check our coolers, whether any dengue germs are there or not, and this from where they comes, they are sending by municipal corporation, right? How does the municipal corporation work? A municipal corporation comprises of mayor, deputy mayor and councillors. The members or the councillors are elected on the basis of adult franchise for a period of 5 years. The number of councillors depend on the population of the city, which is divided into wards. The eligible voters of the ward elect a representative as the members of municipal corporation, right? The mayor is the head of the municipal corporation, and who is responsible? Mayor is responsible for conducting meetings on regular basis. The members collectively elect a deputy mayor who functions in the absence of mayor. Like municipality, the municipal corporation too has seats reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes. 1/3 seats are reserved for women candidates, right? And The municipal corporation is responsible for administering a big city. It can become difficult for the municipal body to discharge all its functions on its own. Therefore, the corporation from time to time appoints special committees outside the body of corporation which undertakes special tasks. The municipal corporation delegates its powers and duties to committees and defines their spheres of work. Every municipal corporation has special standing committee which are responsible for taking important decisions. And one special thing which I want to tell you, the municipal corporation was formed under the Corporation Act of 1835 of the Panchayati Raj. The Act established municipal corporations for the purpose of providing essential services in metropolitan cities of India. Metropolitan cities of India are like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Right. These are also the largest municipal corporation are established. Okay. Now about municipal commissioner. Municipal commissioner has every municipal corporation has a municipal commissioner who heads the administration. The commissioner is appointed by the state government. He or she is responsible for implementing various development schemes in the city. The committee lay plans to be implemented at various levels. The commissioner along with the administrative staff implements these plans. The administration includes various departments such as health, sanitation, water supply, civil works and education. Right. Each department is headed by an officer who assists the municipal commissioner in administration of the corporation. Right. Now, one thing is left. This one. There are also some respected citizens who are nominated to the corporation. They are known as aldermen. Means these people, they are not elected. They are appointed only. Right. They are nominated, sorry. They are nominated from different fields of the city. Right. The ward councillor decides which facilities need improvement and whether new amenities are required or not. This I already told you. Okay. Now about the source of income. What are the source of income of municipal corporation? In short, I will tell you. A municipal corporation's source of income includes property tax. Property tax means the houses in which we are living and shops are there in the market, factories, bungalows, property. Like, everybody is giving tax to the government. It goes to corporation, municipal corporation. Water tax, house tax, entertainment tax, education tax, toll tax, octroi and vehicle tax. Right. It also receives grants from the state government. State government also gives grant. Grant means amount, money, to municipal corporation to establish the city. Right. So half chapter is over. Half chapter I will teach you in the next period, next video. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe. Bye.